Hello, hi, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 13 in how to program TCL on Cisco routers. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about for loops. Now, we've seen in the while loop that you can repeat as much as you want, okay, not on a predefined condition that runs automatically, okay, so based on a numbered or a countable number of repetitions. Now, for loop works on that way of putting a number of repetitions previously, so we can repeat that, okay, a task inside the for loop. Okay, so I've made like an even number counter, so it prints for me all the numbers, all the even numbers until a dedicated number of repetitions. Okay, so here I loaded the code, okay, on disk 0 lesson 13 inside the router, okay, and it's just an even number counter. So I want, for example, like 10 even numbers, so I can just type 10, okay, as a maximum limit of printing, okay, and see it automatically calculates for me the number of 10 even numbers. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so how this is done using code, let's go to the code. Okay, and this is all the program. It's just simple. Okay, I understand no Cisco, but you know, I need to show you through numbers countable stuff. Okay, so commands also, you can repeat them as much as you want according to your needs. Okay, so let's start. For set counter as 1, okay, so this is what I'm using to count, okay, and see where I stand in my counting, okay, of the repetitions. What I'm repeating is in this block, okay, between the greens, okay, the green braces, curly braces, and I'm saying when I start with counter as 1, because set sets the variable name counter as 1. If counter is still less than the maximum which I've read here, okay, get counter and increment it by 1. Okay, so this word is a command named increment. This word increments the variable named counter by 1. Okay, now now you notice here also that I did not put a $sign for the counter here, okay, because here I'm not retrieving the value of the counter, I'm setting the value of the counter. So when I'm retrieving the value of a variable, okay, I use a $. When I'm setting the variable value, I don't use a $sign in front of the variable name. Okay, so what I'm saying here is just set the even number is expr twice, 2 times the counter value. Okay, and every time I print without printing a trailing new line character, okay, the even number plus a dash. Okay, so this way you will print the numbers as we've seen, okay, like a number and a dash. Next time it will print and with a space also, and next time it will print this like here, so a number space dash space, a number space dash space, and so on. Okay, so for loop will work as much as max says. Okay, and I've just put a new empty line here, okay, just to print break, okay, line break here. Okay, add this space here. So this is how for works. Now regarding the increment here, it's a command. Now it has a another option. Okay, let's see it on the terminal right away. So if I say set x as 1, okay, and I say set, and I say increment x like this. So if I put $x, it will print it as 2. Cool. Now if I say increment x minus 1, okay, it will add minus 1 to x. So this time x will be from 2 till 1. See, it changed till 1. Okay, and I print x again, and it is 1. So here you put how much you want to add or subtract from the variable. Okay, so this is increment, and you can use it anywhere in the code anytime that you want. It's just a command, like any command. Okay, in TCL. So that's all about for and increment, and thanks for watching.